Maya, Mayata. Mayata,
I hope you are having a nice day. My name is Peter. I work for outeringmeforever.com. It's a website and of course a Facebook page that tells about the people of the Cook Islands, about our musicians and music and the songs that's coming out of these guys here in the Cook Islands. I got Tara Kauvai with me this morning, and I got some questions for her.
Kia ora, everyone.
How did you start in the music business here in the Cook Islands, seeing that you're really doing well over here?
Well, gee, I've been singing for the past 20 years. I've just been in order. I've been in the Young Stars Quest Composers Competition, but I just kept doing that every year. So I've kind of made a name for myself in Rarotonga. So I thought I'd just keep going, and I started to. I did a couple of recordings in Tahiti, but then I thought maybe I'll just go on and do my own. So I've done 3 albums with a local company called Red Stallion. Yeah, so and that's been going well. So yeah, and I've just been doing that, and I'm at the markets, Puranganui market every Saturdays. So yeah, that's what I'm doing for my music at the moment. Yeah.
Yes, Tara, thanks for that. The other thing I was going to ask you is what you think. I've seen one of your interview on YouTube, and you were saying something. This is about 2-3 years ago. You were saying something about the kind of music that we're putting out in the Cook Islands. That was 2 or 3 years, I might add. And I can see now, from that time you mentioned about that, I think the music, the people over here are starting to compose Maori songs, you know. What do you think of the level of the kind of music that we're putting out in the Cook Islands right now?
Well, it's really good because everyone's starting to write, as you were saying. It's a good, it's a good start for us, and we've had a lot of talents come out, and I think we need to bring out more competitions so we can get more talents coming out. But we've had a couple of competitions, the likes of the Raro Idol. We've had a few of talents coming out of there, so it's been really good. It's bringing a lot of the young people out, because over here a lot of the young people are very reserved. So we just need to just encourage them, as we go on in life. Yeah, just keep encouraging the young ones to come out. Yeah.
Oh, that's fantastic to hear from you, Tara. Because to us in New Zealand and Australia, you are one of the top recording artists from the Cook Islands. What I'm going to ask you about is that because you've been here and doing a lot of singing, and now I think 4 albums now?
I've done 5 albums with a Tahitian company, Max Music Paradise, but I've done 3 of my own. Yes, 3 albums.
Yeah, okay. I hear that you got an album out now. And of course, I like to hear, the making of that album, and how did it come about, the songs? Because I love some of your writing on that album.
Yes, well, I've kind of had a bit of the old and the new. I've written some new songs, but I thought I'd just get a couple of the old classics from old composers. So just revamp it a bit. So so a bit of English and Cook Island Māori. Put together to make the album.
Yeah, I can hear, because that album, that's the one that's going in the background, is it?
Definitely.
Well, I can hear there's some really old songs in there. Tara, you've been trying to sort of put a new spin to it. It's quite good. With your writing, Tara, how do you get your inspiration from?
Well, I just look to nature. Especially my experience, what I've been through in life, through my heroes, which is my parents, through their experience, through my experience, and just look at nature, and it inspires me to write.
Yes, Tara, I must agree with you because, like over here, you got such things that, you can always pull the idea out of your brains just like that. I must agree with you. Our last question, Tara, any tours in the future?
Ooh, at this point in time, yeah, not at the moment. Maybe for the next year and a half. But yeah, just busy at the moment doing, just building my house and yeah, just doing my stuff at the moment. So it's on hold at the for a year and a half now. So yeah, just got to just look into it for the next, after a year and a half. Yes.
Okay. Tara, I'll give the chance to say hello and give you a hello to all our people in New Zealand and in Australia and all over the world, if I may. And of course, tell them about your new CD that's out now. We might have to do something about the webpage so we can connect it to your website and start building some buzz happening on your Facebook, so all your fans in New Zealand and Australia sees what's going on with your music in the Cook Islands. Over to you, Tara.
Yes, yeah. Firstly, very warm kia ora to you all, the people in New Zealand and Australia. Just would like to say thank you for watching this program and just to see what I've been up to. But yeah, nothing much, but just trying to promote Cook Island music here in Maro, and just hopefully taking it out to the outside world. And I've just been doing 3 albums so far, and as you can see here in the background, it's one of the songs I have on my album. So I'm just trying to just promote the Cook Island music, and just to make you all proud that our little nation is growing in the music industry, and that we're not going to give up. We're going to keep going, and just to everyone out there overseas, if you're in music, be encouraged to keep going for our country, our nation, because I think it's beautiful to express our language through music, because we are expressing it through our culture, and it's beautiful. But in our music industry, I would like to encourage all the young ones, get out there, promote our language, promote your talent, and let the whole world see what you can do. So from me to you, kia ora, kia monuia, God bless. Ka kite.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, that was Tara Kauvai, and she's one of our very staunch, musicians from the Cook Islands, and it's good to see her that she's really behind, the type of music that we ought to put out from the Cook Islands. Anyway, from Pera of outerringforever.com, I'd like to say thank you and goodbye. Oh yeah.